Hello friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix YouTube cannot connect right now in Android Smart TV. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. Guys, first of all check your internet working or not. For that you need to key your setting icon. Then click on network and internet. Then check your internet working or not. If your internet working correctly, then go back. Click on device preferences. Then select here date and time. Then click on automatic date and time. Click in off. Click on set date. Then set your date correctly. Then go back. Click on set time. Then set also time correctly. Then go back. Then again click automatic. Then select here auto. Then go back. Then again click on setting icon. Click on apps. Click on see all apps. Then search here YouTube. You can see here YouTube. Open this YouTube. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Click on clear data. Click on OK. And go back. Click on clear cache. Then click on OK. After doing this, go back. Click on permissions. You should enable all permissions. Then go back. Go to the Play Store. Then search here YouTube. If your YouTube not up to date, then update your YouTube from here. Click on update. After updating YouTube, restart your TV, fix your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.